Hi, I'm Abhijit Makija and I'm a product manager at Pidilite Group. So Pidilite is mainly into adhesives manufacturing. So currently this stall is about plumbing division, and plumbing is a part of our maintenance group altogether. So you can see we have solvent, we have epoxy putties, we have sealants, we have tapes, and we have range of cleaners, which is purely a maintenance per se product portfolio. And the customers main customers of these products are builders, MEP consultants, architects, and the plumbers and plumbing contractors. So the response is good. The footfall has been decent, and we have been getting a lot of queries about particular of our products like Easy Seal for Feviseal range of sealants, and mainly the queries have been coming from builders and the MEP consultants.